Conversation 136, between sister and brother. Sister, we have our school annual day today. Will you attend?
Yes. I will. I have to apply for leave.
There are several sports items.
Do you take part in any event?
Yes. I am taking part in 200 meters race.
When will the prize distribution function begin?
It will be at 6:30 p.m.
Who is presiding over the function?
The district collector presides over the function.
Who distribute the prizes?
The wife of the district collector will distribute the prizes. Conversation 137, during train journey. Shabana. When did you arrive at the station?
I came here at 5 p.m.
Which train are you waiting for?
I am waiting for the Pandian Express.
What is the time of departure?
19.40 hours.
Have you reserved?
I have reserved 2 tickets for me and my brother.
We are going to our grandfather's house.
Where does your grandfather reside?
He resides at Talanagar in Trichy. Conversation 138, about tour program. Maiden. Come on. Bring your camera to take a snap of the tall building there.
What is that, sir?
It is the lodge where we stay.
What is the name of the lodge?
It is Karnataka Palace.
Shall we go round the famous lake here?
Yes. We shall go and have a ride in the boat.
What are they doing?
They are playing and running.
The driver is not there. Where has he gone?
He has gone to the hotel for tea. Conversation 139, at a cinema theater.
When did you start from your house?
I started at about 4:30 p.m.
Was there a crowd in the ticket counter when you came?
When I came, the counter was free.
Today there is less crowd.
Who is he on the screen?
He is Vedavelu the comedian.
Recently he is the popular comedian.
The film Marathamalay is very famous.
Yes. It is true. Conversation 140, during taking bath in sea. Suresh. Have you taken bath?
I have finished. Why don't you go?
I am ready. But I am waiting for the 3 persons bathing there.
They will return only after half an hour.
I am following Indu to take bath.
Whose boots are they?
They are mine. I will take them after my return from bath.
Where is our bus waiting for us?
Our bus is near the entrance of the school.
When will we start our return journey?
We will start at 12 p.m. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.